I'm Steph Evans from Evotech, partnered with MSC Software. Here's another one of our MSC Apex quick bites, this time looking at how to import Adams car models into Apex.
Okay, so looking at the Adams car import model, we can run through the file structure to pick out the particular Adams car model that we've created previously. So just cycling through the import sequence and bringing the car vehicle in. All of the entities are fully controllable as per the standard Apex way of working. So we can work through the model browser and operate on the geometry as it's read in, and as we'll see in a moment, the interface points which are used to store the Adams multi-body dynamics data for these car models. Okay, so we can go through the model browser, just changing some of the display options here, just hiding entities from view. We can see the interface points, we can see the way the suspension is set up in this particular example, and we can center in browser and then look at the attributes for a given interface point, again where the Adams car results will be stored, and we've got full access to that car as it was geometry.
I hope you found this interesting. If you'd like to develop your Apex usage, head over to our site where you'll find many online learning opportunities.